Hey everyone, I'm Bradley with Flooring Inc. and today we're going to be talking about floor tile. Everybody loves floor tile. It's durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Plus, it lasts for years and increases the value of your home. There's just one problem. Tile is so difficult to install. Even the most experienced DIYers often choose to hire a professional when it comes to tiling floors. And that's kind of a bummer because hiring a pro can be expensive. The experts at Daltile realized this was a problem, so they decided to fix it. Enter Revotile, the DIY-friendly flooring that is changing the way people install tile. With Revotile, you can tile a floor 2 times faster than before, and you can do it all on your own. No professional needed. Here's how it works. Revotile combines high-quality porcelain tile with ClicFit technology, so the tile is locked together. This unique design ensures a simple and fast installation. It only takes 3 easy steps. First, place the Rapid Prep underlayment and make sure it lays flat. There's no mortar required. Next, click the tiles together. You don't need to use spacers between the tiles, just around the edges of the room. And lastly, grout the tiles. You can start grouting immediately after the tile is laid. No need to wait for any mortar to dry. This new mortar-free, click-together tile system drastically reduces the time, money, and hassle that goes into installation. Plus, the installation isn't the only thing to love about Revotile. It's also slip-resistant, scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. Revotile is sounding pretty great, right? Well, we still had some questions. Fortunately, Patrick Warren from Daltile is here to provide some answers. Patrick is the Vice President of Dealer Sales and Showrooms at Daltile. He has more than 20 years experience in the flooring industry with specialties in ceramic tile, natural stone, and a whole lot more. Bradley here with Flooring Inc. and today we're talking to Patrick with Daltile. And today we're going to be talking about the Revotile. And Patrick, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you? Glad to be on.
Doing well. We're glad to have you on. You know, just right off the bat, how did the idea for Revotile develop?
Great question. Daltile's been in the tile business for, over 70 years, tile, natural stone, wall business. And we took it's about 3 generations over about 10 years it took to really develop this product. The core of what Daltile does and really stands behind is our technology. And we wanted to use the proprietary technology that goes to make Revotile what it is today to really help solve a problem in the business. And the business was just the contraction and the availability of really good condition tile installers. So it becomes extremely expensive to have somebody that can do it, let alone somebody that can do it really well. So we spent some time developing what the platform would look like. And it really starts out with the core piece that makes the whole program work is it's built on style. I mean, it is part of our best selling, best look, best designed product Daltile's ever made. And then we put it on a floating floor system that interlocks. The whole piece comes together really with that foundation of style first. Style wins at Daltile, and that's what we're always going to lead with.
So what kind of subfloor do you need to install Revotiles? Can it be installed over existing floors?
So that's the great question. I hope you asked that question. That's great because Revotile can go over almost any floor, really, except carpet, which just wouldn't make any sense anyway.
Who can benefit from Revotile? Is this more for the DIYers, the homeowners, or is this more for professionals and contractors?
Well, I think let me answer it 2 ways. I think first of all, everybody can benefit from Revotile by Daltile. The first piece is speed. Everybody needs speed, and people lack labor installers. So when we bring those 2 together, Revotile is perfect. It's a great do-it-yourself project. We have a tremendous amount of assets to work with. We have images, and we have a self-help line you can call in. We have videos you can watch to understand how to install. So it's a great DIY project.
All right, Patrick, thank you so much for taking the time today to talk the Revotile by Daltile. And next time we'll have you on, we'll be talking about the mosaic peel and stick tiles. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button to catch the next episode of the Flooring Innovation Series. Or check out our website at flooringinc.com.